Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating the problem files and immediately making exact backups. This protects originals while you work. Verify file types and timestamps so you know what to target, and Computa checksum to detect later changes. Next, install or stage a small set of recovery tools, a hex editor, a signature-based repair utility, and a general file repair app, so you can switch methods quickly. Once done, you have safe copies and the tools ready to begin targeted repair. You now analyze the copies to find structural damage. Run validation tools to reveal missing headers, broken metadata, or checksum mismatches. If the file type has built-in recovery office formats, databases, use that first because it preserves more content. Make incremental repairs and keep a change log so you can roll back. For deeper fixes, restore header templates or reconstitute missing blocks via hex edits. Make sure to test after each step so you know which action restored integrity and why it worked. You finish by validating repaired data. Recompute checksums, open files in their native apps, and perform content spot checks to ensure no silent corruption remains. If something still fails, revert immediately to your backup and try another tool or approach, sometimes exporting to an intermediate format and re-importing fixes structural issues. Once successful, document the exact steps you used, store repaired copies redundantly, and schedule regular backups so you avoid this recovery work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.